Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we just got into Dollar Tree and let's see if I see any goodies. Oh look, right away, look at these cute glasses. It's this one, those pink, blue, and look at the chicks. Some paint sets. Salt and pepper shakers. Look at the Easter baskets. Happy Easter. That one says Happy Easter. Bunny and the chick. Some egg colors. So they have these in the Easter themes. Cottontails, bunny trails. These are tight in there. And those baskets. Look at the eggs. Oh, these look like jelly beans. It's right against the window, so it's gonna give a little bit of the glare. The game controller. And look at these signs. I realized these signs were here the last time I came, but I didn't go close up on them. These are newer. Happy Easter. Shake your bunny tail. Those are older. Everybody welcome. Easter, happy Easter. Cottontail, look at these. RVs. Oh honey. Oh honey. Spring vibes. Farm fresh flower. And this one. And those cute bunny signs again. Welcome. Hippity hop. Easter. Happy Easter. Look at these. And they have some. Oh, look at the eggs. That's a lot of boxes. So we're going to definitely have to come back when they finish filling everything up. Some of the Easter trees. And look at these eggs. Purple, the pink, and the teal. Some coloring books. Some jumbo. Some of the clay. Look at the little play phone. I thought this was so cute right here. The friendship bracelet notebook. There's that one. Game over. Space. Bunch of these little plushies. Look at the headphones. Those are $5 with some trees in there. Some of the sidewalk chalk. They do have some of the egg chalk. Oh, what's these? Frost Your Lips. That one is chocolate. There's chocolate, coconut, and look like a strawberry. Yep, strawberry. Some little etch-a-sketches. Monster truck. Cute little stuff to put in the baskets. Silly putty. Getting ready for the beach. When we were in Hobby Lobby, they had their versions of these, and I said, I didn't see these in Dollar Tree yet. And look, I walk in here today and I see them. Oh, that's cute. Bunny tail. This one, gnome. Egg. Some of the cling, some beads, some paddles, mesh. little DIY decor. Look at the little chicks. Bunnies, bunny butts, fabric gift bags, disco eggs. Oh, these are some ornaments. I see purple, gold, blue, pink. Table covers. Some more ornaments. Happy Easter. Happy paddles. It's a 125. Everything's 125 over here. Sometimes they be trying to sneak the 5+ over here. Oh, see, these are $3. Oh, look at the cute little peep socks. Peep inflatables. Some more eggs. Cars, cartons. Some carrot picks. I'm trying to get it out. And this is how they look. They're kind of stuck in there. I think that's the only 2 colors, those. And these eggs. Get the ribbon. And these carrots. And more ribbon. They're bringing out some of the cute little slides. It's warm over here. It's cold outside today. It's really warm in this little spot. Look at these. Look at the little pink truck and the blue truck. And the flowers. Oh, these are cute for $5. These are real pretty. And look at the boots. Some of the bugs. The solar lights. We just saw these solar lights in Family Dollar. The bird houses. Those are, I think these are $5. They say 3 and up. I think these are $5. Yep, those are $5. The boots. Happy Easter. Some candles. I think we saw most of those. Yeah, they got some new signs in here. Oh, look, those carrots. The black and white carrots. Blessings. Welcome. Hop on in. Welcome. Blessings. The green one says every bunny welcome. Some juicy, they calling them juicy cakes. Oh, it's a liner and a little lip gloss. That's cute. Some eyelashes. LA wildflowers. The lip pen. The lip crayon. Shadow stick lip plumpers and a lip gloss. Look at the sweet shop. Some nails, a lip gloss, more lip glosses. Oh, these are cute. Nail polish. Look at these cute nails. French ombre. Those are cute. And these yellow. That's a cute yellow. Oh, I don't see the Minnie Mouse. I did see the Bluey. The 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, Star Wars. Three-in-one bath lotions, and then they have these, the Bath Buddies. 2-in-1 body wash, raspberry banana, peaches, and I think the other one is watermelon. Yep, watermelon. And these are hand wash in the same scents. Bath bomb crumbles, trolls. They bought the cute fly swatters back for the spring. These look like little butterflies. Bugs. Look at these little keychains. Look like little cups. Alright, you guys, I think that's going to be it for us in this location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for taking all the shopping trips with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yep, we saw all of those. What's this? Oh, egg-shaped containers. Alright.